Hello my beautiful friends, welcome and welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to make this deliciously creamy ground turkey pasta recipe. This recipe is quick and easy to make, it's packed with flavor. So if you're interested to see more of this recipe, keep on watching. So to get this recipe started, I'm going to show you guys a list of all the ingredients which we're going to use to make this delicious ground turkey pasta recipe. So to make this recipe, we're going to use some fresh ground turkey. Next, we're going to add our Parmesan cheese, which is right there. We're going to go in with our shell pasta, lots of fresh onion, Italian seasoning to add lots of flavor to this pasta recipe, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, minced garlic to add more flavor to this pasta recipe, we're going to go in with our chicken broth, fine sea salt and ground black pepper, and we're going to add our heavy cream. So to get this recipe started, I am going to cook my pasta. So I am using 2 cups of hot boiling water, which is right there. We're going to add a teaspoon of salt into the pot. Next, we're going to add 2 cups of shell pasta. We're going to cook for about 8 to 12 minutes. To continue with this recipe, we're going to set our pasta to the side. We're going to get our pot ready and add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to the pot. Make sure the pot is hot and medium heat. We're going to add some fresh onion into the pot. We're going to saute the onion for about 30 seconds. Next, we're going to go in with some minced garlic. If you have fresh garlic, that will do as well for this recipe. Next, we're going to add our fresh ground turkey to the pot. We're going to cook the ground turkey until it's nice and cooked through and there's no paint showing. Once our ground turkey is nice and cooked through, we're going to go ahead and add our flavorful chicken broth to the pot. Now we are going to go in with our heavy cream to add lots of flavor. Now we're going to add our Italian seasoning to add lots of flavor. We're going to add some ground onion to the pot. This is optional for this recipe. We're going to add a little bit of heat to the pot with our red pepper flakes, which is right there. Give that a very nice mix. Now we're going to add our fresh Parmesan cheese to the pot. Now we're going to go in with our shell pasta. Give that a very nice mix, then we're going to let it simmer down for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is what the pasta recipe looks like. It came out so delicious. It was nice and creamy. The sauce, the spice was just right. And that's the final result. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I hope to see you beautiful people in my next video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Take care. Bye guys.